Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to hide all of your Facebook posts at once with the latest update. First, open your Facebook account and head into the menu by tapping on the three lines or profile icon. Next, scroll down and go into Settings and Privacy and then open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the section called Your Activity, and from there, tap on Activity Log. Inside the Activity Log, you'll see a list of your public posts. Tap on it. Tap on the public. If you want to hide them all, just tap on All to select everything. Then go down to the bottom and tap on the three dots. Pop-up menu will appear. Select Change Audience. After selecting the Change Audience again, choose Only Me as your privacy option. This way, every single one of your public posts will be hidden from others as you tap on the change. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video for more social media tips, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.